Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley.
Ayan, so for today's vlog, magkakaroon lang tayo ng slight reaction video pa rin. Magkakaroon tayo ng reaction sa performance ng isa sa delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024 sa kanilang naganap na press presentation. Nagkaroon sila ng sashing and Q&A session, and this time ay tutungo tayo sa Cebu. That's Sophia Maxime Agrenmo, and let's watch this.
Gentlemen, I am Sophie Maxime Margareta Agrenmo from the progressive and vibrant island of Cebu.
Wow. Laban din si ate.
From Cebu, we have Sophie Maxime Margareta.
Ang ganda nun. Like, you know, hindi talaga nagpapadala yung Cebu ng representative na parang hindi papasok sa semifinals man lang, yung gano'n talagang caliber yung pinapadala nila sa kada national pageant, which is, you know, kaya nga, ano na din talaga sila when it comes to pageantry sa Philippines, powerhouse.
So, ang nakita ko dun yung paglakad niya talagang ang ganda ng stride. Parang ang haba ng leg.
Nakita ko rin, may mata rin ako.
Oh, hindi mo napansin. Ako na napansin.
Hindi ko lang kasi alam yung word na strides.
Margareta Agrenmo.
Ang ganda.
Wow.
Ang cute ng styling niya dyan, parang pang Miss World na pang Miss World talaga. Kinabog.
If I were a judge,
Ang
why should I choose you to be the next Miss World Philippines?
Ala, pag-final question.
So, good afternoon once again to everyone. To answer your question, I believe that you should choose me because I am joining this pageant solely for the art of learning from experience, because I am a firm believer that through experience we learn to be compassionate and empathetic, and that is a very important thing and a very important lesson to learn in this world, because if we are not compassionate, if we are not empathetic, we will not know those struggles that we are advocating for, and that is a very big part in being a beauty queen, being able to help but also being able to feel what others need. Thank you.
I love the thought nung kanyang sagot towards the end. Pero kung paano niya sinimulan, parang I'm joining the pageant solely to learn. Parang ganun. Parang kang ano kasi, ang dating sa akin kung aplikante siya, tapos ako merong company, you are just coming into my company just to solely kasi yung yung term na ginamit. So parang, yeah, learning is talaga. There is nothing wrong with learning. Pero pag solely to learn, parang yung entrada niya, importante kasing first 5 seconds, parang solely to learn.
First impression.
Oo. Pero, towards the middle hanggang sa end, na-explain naman talaga niya, and totoo siya doon, like, that's the core of it. Kung, you know, paano ka nga naman, paano mo ipuput into action yung advocacy or kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo, kahit simpleng ginagawa mo sa buhay. Kung in the first place, wala kang passion, tsaka hindi ka empathetic. Pinaka-importante is yung empathy, like, you know, putting yourself towards other people's shoe, like, maintindihan mo, or at least, makiramdam ka dun sa pinagdadaanan niya, ganyan, or whatsoever.
Tama ka naman na, tawag dito, weak nga yung mga first parts niya, pero ang na-amaze ako is yung thought process niya. Yung kung paano niya idikit-dikit yung, actually 3-pointers yun eh. Learning, compassion, tsaka advocacy. Na paano niya tinuhog into one thought.
Ginamitan niya ng stick.
Ang galing niya. Ang galing ng stick. Diba? Kasi kung wala kang ganong, kumbaga, intellect na how do you, kumbaga, ita-transition yung bawat thoughts, yung bawat key points into one cohesive na thought. Diba? Meron siya noon na under pressure, kaya niyang gumawa ng ganong statement. So, doon ako na-amaze. Even though...
Paano yung pagka-amaze mo?
Diba sabi ko nga, wow.
Diba, sobrang nagastuhan ko siya. Ang ganda nung kanyang posture, body posture, yung kanyang tone, tone yung katawan niya, and towards the yung sa Q&A tsaka yung sashing. Ang ganda nung kanyang ito talaga nagustuhan ko yung kanyang styling. Like, you know, very soft girl.
Yes.
Miss World. Parang
very
ganun.
sweet, soft na ambience or vibe yung ambience.
Ambience? So, ayun.
Vibe yung in-exod niya.
Ayun guys, and we wish Sophia best sa kanyang journey sa Miss World, and aabangan pa natin kung ano yung mga magiging pasabog niya towards the coming challenges before their coronation. And thank you so much guys at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang reaction. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!